Hello, I'm Rabbit. Today I'm going to read you The Rabbit, and the Turtle. Once upon a time, there was a wonderful place called Mountain Eden. Mountain Eden had everything you need for a perfect life. There were plentiful fruits, delicious restaurants, and reliable transportation. Animals who lived there were all grateful and happy, except for one friend. Me. I just can't stop complaining. I don't like this, I don't like that. I hate everything. Yes, that's right. As I look, I am very mean. I love to tease other animals about their looks. Moreover, I love to take transportation without paying the transportation fee. The worst part was that I am a phone addict. I always have my phone in my hands, even when I go to the toilet. My eyes were always red because I stayed up late while playing with my phone. Of course, other animals didn't like me. They called me a pain in the head, but who cares?
Hello, I'm Turtle. I also live in Mountain Eden. I am the complete opposite of Rabbit. I'm very kind and clever, making everyone happy. What do I do for an event? I run a popular Korean restaurant. There is always a long waiting line in front of my restaurant. Since all my workers are turtles, they are very, very slow. To serve the dish faster, I developed a brand new pair of roller skates for my workers.
One day, I was passing by Turtle's restaurant and saw a long line. How can a slow turtle run a restaurant? Suddenly, I got jealous of Turtle. I turned to other animals and said, "Dumbhead, why are you wasting your time?"
I heard the noise and came out. Hey, mean rabbit, you claim that you're fast. Let's have a race tomorrow. If you lose, you need to leave Eden forever.
I grabbed the turtle and spun him on my finger. Turtle felt embarrassed. He said, "No." I threw him down and left with a big smile on my face. See you tomorrow, loser.
That night, I made a plan. I brought a bowl of curry and a cell phone and left them under a tree.
What about me? I went to bed very late while playing with my phone. The next morning, all the animals in Eden came out to watch the race.
Even though I had roller skates, I didn't ride them at the beginning.
When the race started, I overtook Turtle. See you later, Slowpoke. When I was halfway, I found a big bowl of curry and a cell phone under a big tree. I thought, Turtle will never catch up to me. Maybe I should take a rest.
Yay! I saw the sleeping rabbit. I quickly rolled the roller skates and headed toward the finish line.
When I woke up, I ran super fast to the finish line. Everyone was already celebrating Turtle. He had a gold medal around his neck. Are you kidding? This is not real. I won't leave Eden. But before I could run away, the gorilla grabbed me and threw me into the sky. Goodbye, Eden! The end. If you liked the video, please subscribe and set the alert. See you next time!